Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel e-learning tutor. Today let's solve few trigonometric problems. Okay, first one is this. What is given? Solve sin x minus 3 sin 2x plus sin 3x is equals to cos x minus 3 cos 2x plus cos 3x. Okay, first what you have to observe is these both and these both. We know these formulas, right? Sin C plus sin D is equals to 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2 and cos C plus cos D is equals to 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. So we have to apply these formulas, these transformation formulas here. Now I'm writing it directly. X plus 3x is 4x, by 2 is 2x. So 2 sin 2x cos x. This as it is, minus 3 sin 2x is equals to this one. 2 cos 2x cos x minus 3 cos 2x. Okay, if we observe it, sin 2x is common here and cos 2x is common here. So let's take it common. Sin 2x of x minus 3, sorry, okay, cos 2x into 2 cos x minus 3. This gets cancelled. Yes, this comes here. Sin 2x by cos 2x is tan 2x is equals to 1. Okay, for tan theta is equals to 1. What are the possible values of theta? N pi plus pi by 4, right? So same applies here. 2x n pi plus pi 4. So x is equals to n pi by 2 plus pi by 8. So these are the possible values of x which satisfies this condition. So let's go to the second question. Okay, this is given. Secant 4 theta minus secant 2 theta is equals to 2. Then find the values of theta. We know that secant theta is equals to 1 by cos theta. This also implies secant 4 theta is equals to 1 by cos 4 theta. Implies, like this means this, right? Theta can be anything. They are reciprocal of each other. Secant 2 theta is equals to 1 by cos 2 theta. So write these values here. 1 by cos 4 theta, so 1 by cos 2 theta is equals to 2. LCM cos 2 theta minus cos 4 theta by cos 4 theta into cos 2 theta is equals to 2. Yes, sending this to RHS, we get 2 cos 4 theta into cos 2 theta. Yes, now we know that 2 cos A cos B is equals to cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B, right? This is the identity, right? So applying this to the LHS, we get cos 2 theta minus cos 4 theta is equals to cos A plus B, that is cos 6 theta plus cos 2 theta This and this gets cancelled. Cos 6 theta plus cos 4 theta is equals to 0. This is cos A plus cos B formula. Cos C plus cos D, whatever. So we wrote this formula already. 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. So applying this here, we get 2 cos 6 theta plus 4 theta by 2 is 5 theta into cos of 6 theta minus 4 theta by 2 is theta is equals to 0. This will be equals to 0 only when this is equals to 0 or this is equals to 0. So we have to write the conditions for this. Two separate conditions will be getting for this. Okay, cos theta is equals to 0 happens when theta is equals to 2 pi plus 1 into pi by 2. Yes, same goes here. 5 theta is equals to 2 pi plus 1 into pi by 2. Theta is equals to 2 pi plus 1 into pi by 10. So these are the values of theta for which this condition will be satisfied. So this is it for today. Have a look of the entire problems that we have solved it today. So thank you so much for watching.